Hey guys, today I was going to do a little review on Auto Finesse products, 333 all-in-one polish and Lather car shampoo using the 2 bucket method and also a separate bucket for the wheels. The car today was a motorway daily driver. First job was to get the wheels cleaned, and I was using Troll's Breath from ProClean and also using some suds from KWD shampoo. I also used KWD SnowFoam, which is a local detailer selling their own products, which I think this is really important to support our local people. The SnowFoam has really good coverage. Now for the Auto Finesse lather, which is really good suds and also really easy to apply. It seemed very smooth going on the paint. Here I'm using a lamb's wool mitt and also being cautious with the 2 bucket method, giving it a little scrub as I dip it into the rinse bucket. After this step I decided to do some clay barring as I thought I needed it from the road tar, and then it was time for some Auto Finesse 333 all-in-one polish. I applied this with a microfiber pad and also microfiber cloths to remove. It was given in the manufacturer's instructions just to do in straight lines for applying with a microfiber pad and also removing with a microfiber cloth. I thought this gave a really good finish and was easy to apply. Thanks for watching guys, please subscribe, see you next time.